Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to go into Sheetz and show you all things to get keto foods and low carb foods from Sheetz. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I've got a ton of goodies for you today to show you what to get from Sheetz for keto food and low carb food. Of course, organic is best, grass-fed is best, but sometimes a sister just needs to get some snacks. So let me go through and show you everything I got. If you find this video helpful, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe. The next thing I got was these bloomin' onion sliders. Of course, the bun is not necessary. I couldn't figure out how to say no bun, but it comes with the bloomin' onion sauce, onions, burgers, and cheese, and it rounds out at only 3 net carbs without the bun. I'm gonna say it's a home run hit. It tastes pretty good, surprisingly. I just couldn't figure out with the buttons how to order no bun for the bloomin' burger for 3 net carbs total. If you did get the O-Snap as a great low carb snack, it would be zero carbs, so get a package or 2. Yes, there's some, because it's on the shelf life, there's some extra preservatives added, but these are the choices. Again, I had said previously, grass-fed is best, organic is best, but we're doing the best we can at the best possible choices. And sometimes this is not going to be a delicious Kerrygold grass-fed butter, grass-fed beef type meal with some beautiful organic spinach on the side. Sometimes it's just gas station food. So for this order, I did add on some guacamole to get some high fats in. It's a burger with a fried egg. There's some extra protein in that fried egg with some bacon, and I did get some peppers on there. Total carb count is... And this will make for a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb meal. So one of the options you could do would be to get some pork rinds. It would be a great little snack to have. That would be a great low-carb snack to add to your keto meal or add to your low-carb meal, or just have as a plain old keto snack or a low-carb snack. So next I ordered the easiest thing possible: pickles, bacon, pepperoni, and mayonnaise. Boom, simple done, super low carb, super keto, and it's gonna make for a good meal. So high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and of course no bun. You could add some other fixings on there, no pickles, things like that, but I wanted to get the extra pickles on there for the pepperoni and bacon. And I did get for my cheese, the pepper jack cheese too, just because I like a little spice. It's my favorite kind of cheese at Sheetz. The next thing is a pepperoni, pepper jack cheese, bacon, guacamole, mayonnaise is 9 carbs or 3 net carbs. If you got a BLT hot dog, no bun, it would be 1 carb. So for my next keto food was my sparkling water. It doesn't have any sugars in it. My little boy did end up getting a strawberry flavored one. They have tons of Perrier flavorings. I did snag the Polar Spring seltzer water just because it would be an easy bubble thing. I used to drink tons of Diet Cokes. I was looking for the Bang drink y'all have talked about, but they did not have that for a keto drink. But I'm really happy. I got 2 Perriers and a sparkling water for myself, and my little boy ended up getting a flavored Perrier. It makes not the inflammation that I get from diet sodas. So a quick editor's note, mayonnaise does have soybean oil, which the mayonnaise that they have is inflammatory. So just knowing that going in, it's going to be inflammation. You may get a little swelling later on. The best choice that I found out of there was getting the guacamole for the extra 75 cents because it will prevent the extra swelling, and it will make you fuller longer, the satiation of being fuller longer from having the avocado, the smashed guacamole. It was a great choice, but I did get the mayonnaise, but knowing the conscious choice, that's not really, the brand is inflammatory with the soybean oil, that it could cause inflammation later on. Of course, one of my hacks is getting guacamole. It was only 75 cents to add it on. It's an easy, high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb thing to add on for your keto foods or low-carb foods to get some good fats in when you order something. So if I went through ordering, I could get a couple of different things from Sheetz for a low-carb diet option, a keto option. One would be a fried bacon, the fried bacon and egg sandwich. If I just didn't get the bread and I literally just had the cheese, the bacon, the fried egg, that would be 9 carbs. In addition, I could get the sausage patty melt with just the sausage and the cheese. That's 1 carb. 1 carb for just the sausage and the cheese. They do have boneless wings. I am not getting those. The boneless wings are 45 carbs or 43 net carbs, depending on how you count your keto macros. So for my next keto low carb snack, I did get the salami with provolone cheese. This whole pack is technically 0 net carbs. I'm gonna go with 1 net carb on it. Fat is 8 grams of fat for the whole thing. It's a good snack. I would have liked to have pepperoni, but it was a good grab and go if you're needing a keto snack, a low carb snack, and something to prevent inflammation. Salami may have some processings in it that would be inflammatory, but I'm gonna say it's a home run hit out of all the Sheetz choices. So this makes for an awesome, easy keto sandwich, just literally wrapping the pepperoni, the mayonnaise, the egg. We're next to a highway if you can hear all the trucks. This is keto dedication here, being next to a truck stop. But I've got all these wrapped together to make a little taco. It's a keto taco. You could use strawberries as a low carb option for 1 full cup. It's a lot. It's 11 carbs. So you may just want to actually, if you had just 1 strawberry, it would be 1 carb. So it's not the best keto snack, but a low carb snack if you're craving something sweet is better than a Snickers bar. Sometimes it's making the better choices and not the best choices that help propel us on our weight loss journey. These were the fire roasted peppers I got, just in case you're curious as to what the fire roasted peppers look like. That was the weirdest thing. I had to go in my car. There was an elderly man and his wife getting into a huge screaming match, literally right in front of where I was filming. And there's nowhere else to go because I'm at a truck stop and just trucks keep going. And anyways, the most awkwardest YouTube filming today. So I was trying to finish out my Sheetz video and show you guys my keto snacks and my keto foods. This highly recommend. I really like it. It was good. It was definitely a great one. I feel full from eating it. And the bloomin' onion burger, my little boy liked it. He liked the sauce. What was your favorite thing? What was your favorite thing?
Potatoes.
Yeah, he got some cheese curls. So people ask, does your kid eat all keto all the time? No, but I try to have him eat low carb. A low carb diet definitely does help with behavior choices. So we have extra drinks. I'm going to use these for the rest of the day today to stay hydrated as we go along our driving journey. If you want to see me do a Wawa video, put in the comments below. I'm curious if Wawa is also on the list. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email. Make a powerful day. Bye, guys.